Gunpowder, thermite and gunpowder mixture and just thermite. Which one is the best for making mini rockets? Let's find out. Firstly, I bought a box of matches. I scraped off the tip and gathered them in one place so that I can crush them into fine dust. For the fuel cartridge, I got some foil tape, rolled it, and then pinched the tip. Afterwards, I poured the thermite powder into the fuel cartridge, and then I had this. I continued the same process with the thermite gunpowder mixture and just the gunpowder. I'm sorry I didn't capture the footage of the gunpowder rocket, but as you can see, it didn't move that much, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. And the thermite rocket wins. Just look at how far it traveled. Subscribe if you want me to make bigger rockets.